Hey, and welcome to Alt 1. Yes, exactly like I did promise. I have now been running this new Forex robot for little less than 24 hours, but it's a new day, so good time to give you a small update. As you can see here now, was taking a trade here where you see the blue dot, because it takes trade where you see these dots, right? And the trade is closed when you go up. You follow this green line you see here. When turn over to red above the 70 line, then it automatically send a message about closing the trade. So if you want to run this robot also, this is a turn on and forget about robot. This one you can run 24/7, or actually it will be 24/5 because it's only Monday to Friday, because only trade GBP USD, okay? So this is a robot. You don't need to think about news, you don't need to think about nothing. This is a money printing robot. I have built account from $100 to more than 400 in 2 months, and I did maybe take 15-20% because I did basically doing everything manually. When I did see these dots, I detect the trades and I close it accordingly. But now we have a robot that gives the signals and do this automatically for us. So push the link you see up there right now, and you also can have this robot. Cost $16 a month, and you get every single signal from this robot. You will get a buy signal and when to close it, and then a sell signal and then to close it, whatever he wants to give you, right? And the best part is, I'm also going to present very soon. I'm checking out the different type of copy service. Copy service, I mean, so you can take the signals that come to Telegram and automatically will be sent here to your MetaTrader. So I'm checking out which service are the best for price and all this good stuff. When I have found one, I'll present it for you all. So when you copy, everything will be 100% automatically for you. You don't need to lift a finger. Cost only $16 a month. And you can see here now, I have the lowest lot size and have not even run the robot for 24 hours. And you can see I made almost $12. Just so you see the power. That means you don't need a big account. You can have a small account and you can still make much more than cost to be a member. Okay? So this robot is amazing. I really hope I see you in the signal group. And I think the ones that join there, they will never leave, because why would you want to leave when you're making money every single month? So this robot is something else. Can't compare with binary option robots that you need to think a little yourself about time to run. Not this one. This is out of the question. You don't need to think. This is just to run, set up everything, forget about it and make money. That's how I do it. So I'm super amazed about this robot, and I think you will be too. So with that, have an amazing day. But before you go, make sure you like the video. If you have questions, put them below the video. And if you're not subscribed yet, if you like to make money, if you want to make money with robots and things, this is the channel for you. Make sure you subscribe. So with that, have an amazing, amazing, amazing day. And if you get this robot, your day will be even better. So with that, have an amazing day again.